So I'm pleased to report that last year we celebrated 75 years of Philippines-India diplomatic relationship. Over those maybe 6 decades, the relationship has been problem-free, very fruitful, filled with amity. But I would have to say that it was over the past decades and especially the past 5 years that our relationship has really begun to level up, and we are now reaching a very strategic point, a transitional point in which we are ready to elevate the relationship onto a higher level. This means a strategic cooperation across the entire gamut of the relationship: political, security, economic, cultural, and tourism. So we cover the relationship across the board. Everything is rising to a level that we have not seen before. We are here now through the very good offices and generosity of the Kolkata Chamber of Commerce, trying to, precisely because we want to have a meeting of the minds as to what are the mutual and reciprocal opportunities that we have between West Bengal and the Philippines. And so far, my commercial counselor is making the presentation right as we speak. We see opportunities, for instance, in the semiconductor landscape. The Philippines has been one of the top 10 exporters in the world for finished semiconductor products, testing and assembly processes. And we would like to see how we can synergize this with India's own drive to develop its own indigenous semiconductor industry. We see a lot of possibility in Kolkata's strong fisheries and agriculture. In fact, my first visit to Kolkata was to send off the first batch of rice exports from India to the Philippines after such a long time. We want to take advantage of fisheries because we have a good fish processed food and fishing industry, and Kolkata and West Bengal's rich fishing resources, we believe, can also be a source of mutual growth for both on both sides. We see renewable energy and electric vehicles, processing of minerals, just really many processing sectors for both countries to take advantage of. One of the strong pillars of engagement between the Philippines and India, uninterrupted since we established relationship, is our relations is people to people connection, and including a connection in terms of education. We are happy that in the Philippines we are hosting tens of thousands of Indian students in medicine, and a number of Indian entrepreneurs earn their degrees from the Asian Institute of Management in Makati City in the Philippines. And in the same way, we as the Philippine Embassy here, we are trying to connect our students to take advantage of India's rich legacy of learning by enrolling in higher education institutions here to earn their degrees, especially in the sciences and in the technical education, where India has such a very strong reputation. So across the board, we are doing what we can to encourage an exchange of education and students on both sides.